Welcome to our Wallbox studio, where we are going to guide you step by step to master every installation. Get ready to install Pulsar Max and Pulsar Pro, and after this, you'll be totally and completely ready to install all the chargers you want. Let's dive in. Unboxing the charger, this is what you'll get. Simple and fast, just like installing a Pulsar Max or a Pro. You'll see. This is what you'll need to bring along to install a Wallbox charger. Think of the Pulsar Max or Pro as your favorite piece of art. Where you place it matters. Position the backplate against the wall and use a bubble level to ensure it's aligned. Then mark the spot where the hole needs to be drilled. Now's the time to drill. Place the wall anchors in the holes. Align the backplate with the holes and then screw it in. Yes, just like that. Now let's look at the charger. Before mounting it on the wall, we need to prepare it. Disassemble the different layers of the charger and disconnect the control board from the power unit. Insert the power cable through the hole and slide the charger onto the backplate, and secure it using the screws. Now you're ready to move on to the electronics. These are your connection options. On the right, the bottom entry connection. On the left, we have the rear entry connection. You know the deal. Cables to input terminals. And hey, no need to remind you to stick to local protections. They're practically your best friends. Get ready to screenshot. Now we'll guide you through connecting the power cables for all configurations, covering both single-phase and three-phase grids across various global regions. Regardless of your setup, remember it's crucial that the voltage between the N and L input terminals does not exceed 264 volts at any time. Great, next step. Set the current selector on the charger, ensuring that the current doesn't surpass the maximum your installation allows for. Most electrical installations support more than 32 amps, so in many cases, the rotary switch can be left at factory settings. Now to install a power meter to enable our energy management features. But wait, we'll explain how to do that in a different video. Now the final piece before closing up the charger. Connect the control board to the power unit using the flat cable. Then close the charger and secure the screws using a screwdriver. Put on the cover frame and again secure the screw. Voila! Don't forget to install the cable holder for a perfect installation. It's easy. Like 1, 2, 3. Now comes the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's bring this charger to life. Trigger the protections and watch as it wakes up. The charger LED ring should light up. Let's now move from the smart charger to the smart app. It's crucial to finish setting up the charger using the My Wallbox app. Here's the process. 1. Download the My Wallbox app and create an account. If you already have an account, ensure you have the latest version of the app, then sign in. 2. Add the charger to the account, either manually or by scanning the QR code. 3. Accept prompts to connect the charger via Bluetooth. 4. If Wi-Fi is available, select the network and enter the password when prompted. 5. If you're installing a Pulsar Pro, it has a pre-configured SIM card and will automatically connect to a 4G network when the charger boosts up. You can still connect the charger to a Wi-Fi network through the menu in Settings. 6. In the app, check for any pending software updates for the charger and run them. 7. When all the updates are complete, the charger will reboot. This will take just a few minutes. 8. Then unlink it from your account and ask the owner to add the charger to their My Wallbox account. To finish, let's ensure everything is working perfectly. Use an EV tester to run through all the vehicle states. If you don't have access to one, you can always use an EV to check that everything works properly, like performing a short charging session. And that's a wrap! You've just journeyed through the ins and outs of installing the Pulsar Max and Pulsar Pro. Now you're more than ready to take charge of any installation that comes your way. Thank you for joining us and for being a part of our Wallbox installer community. Until next time.